And good morning everyone. Ganda ng music pero yung camera ko hindi ko na on. Right, good morning everyone. Very good movement of the market yesterday. We're now back up 7,721. Very good. And our picks yesterday and Monday are doing well. So congratulations sa mga pumasok dun sa mga recommendations ko. Not all but karamihan naman umakyat, di ba? So we're gonna be talking about the market today, international market also, and po congratulations sa mga nakapagbodega, right? The past few weeks even, di ba? Medyo tagilid si market, pababa ng pababa. We talked about what they call this, accumulating on the stocks that you have, which is mainly for investments, and it's been doing well lately. Ayan po, si JFC nag-bounce na, and then the other stocks that we were talking about are starting to go up. So congratulations po. Today we're going to be discussing my picks, what stocks I can recommend to you if you are looking for stocks to enter the next coming days. These are the stocks I can recommend. And if ever gusto niyo yung stock, you can enter. If not, then let's just wait for other stocks. You don't have to get in these stocks right away. If you don't know these companies, huwag niyo po papasukin. Right? Pagka nagkataon lang na nirecommend ko ang company na gusto mo, that means that's the time to buy. Only trade the companies you know by heart. I always tell you that. Ayan po. And so let's start. I'm gonna go down to the comments. Good morning to my daughter, Laika. And good morning to everyone. Welcome to the Daily Grind. And so let me just make this quiet really quick kasi ang hirap mag-concentrate. Ayan. Good morning, sir. Inputs kay CEi, DNL, and IRC from Hops. Good morning. Hops, I'll write these down. Daanan natin yan. Right. So again, we'll gawin natin yung ginawa pa rin natin yesterday. We'll what do you call this? We'll read the charts along while people are commenting. And so give me one moment. I-on ko lang electric fan ko. Biglang uminit dito. Yan. Whew. Init. Right. So, yan. Ang ano ni Hops is CEi. CEi is somehow doing well financially. Right? Yun nga lang. Pa-downtrend pa siya. It's been triggering the lower Bollinger Bands, pero ang ganda ng first quarter earnings, even the annual earnings nila last year. It's just that fundamentals isn't everything. You have to check the price action of the stocks also, and it's giving us a red trigger, so I think babagsak pa ito. Let it drop. Definitely papasukin natin ito once it gives us a buy signal, but for now medyo mabigat pa si CEi. So, let's stay away from that for now. Lagay niyo po sa watchlist niyo yan. I want you guys, while it's going down, read about CEi. That's a good, they have Australia expansions. Ang ganda po ng ginagawa ng company niyan. So, yesterday, DNL, I recommended DNL. So far, so good. It's still right there, si DNL. I'd say still a buy. This is the range trade that we're looking for. We are at the support level. This is the support. And here it is again. So we are playing at that level. I'd say yes, buy it already while it's still cheap. And then range trade lang at around 12 pesos. Ibenta nyo po ulit. 10 to 12, 10 to 12. Ganun lang ang ginagawa ko kay the last na mga actions ko kay DNL. So far so good. DNL still doing well. Time to bodega DNL. Congratulations sa mga nakapasok na. Hopefully umakyat yan. At buti pa nga ngayon is hindi pa umaakyat. So, pwede nyo pa pasukin yan. Francis Fahilan, good morning, Sir Lloyd. Just started copy trading you yesterday. Alright, congratulations, Francis Fahilan. Ayan, si IRC din. IRC is in my... No, hindi ko na-recommend si IRC today, but I've already been recommending IRC to go in this support. So, yes, I'd say still go for IRC. Sa support na yan, it's starting... Look at the Bollinger Band starting to... they're starting to constrict. So, I'd recommend IRC. Yes, it already has a good support. Yeah. Joel Ligales, good morning, Sir Lloyd and Laika. Good morning then. Jing Martinez. Good morning. Joy P, good morning, Sir Lloyd. Insights po on GFC. GFC, it's time to buy, right? Ni-recommend ko ba si GFC ngayon? Alright, hindi ko ni-recommend. But I'd say yes, buy. We were expecting GFC's bounce yesterday. And lakas ng bounce. Right? I'd say buy that already. Sayang hindi nyo napasok sa mas mababa. But still not too late. This is still very cheap. Ang recommendation ko lang kay Jollibee is just keep buying the dips, magbodega habang bumababa siya. This is a very good company. And for sure, aakyat din yan in the future. Hindi ko alam kailan. This is a good sign right here. Hindi ko lang ma-predict yan kung aakyat na ba yan or hindi. What you can do really is just enter here. And if it goes further down, then that's good because you can buy more. And then, so, in the future, kung umakyat na siya, you're gonna be in a good position. Yet, alright, that's the basic really of, that's the real purpose of the stock market. Right? MC Butete, good morning. JFC, MBT. Gustahin natin sa MBT. Excuse me. Yan, si MBT nagpo-pull back na. We talked about MBT around this level right here. Kaso nga lang, hindi natin nahuli. But right now, it's doing a pullback, right? So, it's doing a pullback. Let's wait for the bounce. If that bounces, that will be our support. That will be our entry point. It broke MA20 already. So, that's a reversal signal for MBT. I'd say, abangan nyo na yan. Right? Dapat araw-araw tinitignan nyo na yan sa MBT. Right? So, MBT, wait for the bounce and that should be your entry point. VLL, right? So, VLL naman, still buy as long as the support holds for VLL. Marvin, Alvin, and Ciso. Parang reporter ang pangalan na Alvin and Ciso. Ayan, Mark, Alvin, and Ciso. Good morning, Sir Lloyd. Good morning then. Green po, pasilip naman. Thanks. Kamustahin natin si Green. Right, green. Tagal mag-load ng charts ngayon na. Alright, not used to that. Sana mas mabilis para tuloy-tuloy yung program natin. Walang dull moments. Right, so green. Tanggalin ko lang charts na, nito. So, we were talking about green yesterday, forming this 3 white soldier pattern. Ito yung 3 white soldier pattern. Right, so I did not tell you to enter there because we were expecting a pullback. Right, so ayan yung pullback. Anytime soon, pwede nang bilhin yan. Anytime soon, malapit na yan sa support. So, any bounce for green, that will be your entry point. So, pwede na yan, right? That's a sign of a reversal. I'd say, we can test that out, right? Ang ganda pa rin ng support na yun, eh. We are still at the support levels, major support levels. So, enter green on the bounce, pwede na yan. Gerson, Ursal, Mine, Buntag, Sir Lloyd, uptrend na po ba si AGI? I'd say, I can't really say. I did recommend AGI yesterday. Remember, AGI is one of my recommendations. And ayan po, lumipad na si AGI. So, congratulations sa mga pumasok. This is somehow a higher high. Actually, if this is a mix of downtrend and uptrend kasi eh. So, hindi ko pa siya matawag na uptrend because an uptrend gives us a higher high and a higher low. Right? Wala pa tayong higher low. So, possible reversal signs pa lang for now for AGI, but I think okay na ito. That's why I recommended it because nasa support tayo nag-bounce. Hindi pa siya complete na uptrend, right? But nahulaan natin yung reversal niya at the very least, right? Mel Dison, good morning, Sir Lloyd. What's your take on BPI? I'd say BPI is a buy, right? BPI, this is the best support we have right now, right? As a trader, I would trade this even, right? This is a good company. And this is at a very low risk position right now. This is a solid support right here. Divergent support. So, buy na para sa akin yan. Right? A BPI, I don't see why not. Diba? Napakaliit ng risk. And if we're wrong, kung mali man tayo, you can always cut your losses. And this is very minimal losses. You cannot ask for more for risk to reward ratio from this level. Liit po ng risk natin dyan. Nasa support yan perfectly at the support. Pag nag-green yan, pasukin na natin yan. And then, I'd trade this, right? Even trading, this is very good. For investors, this is the best spot to enter. Look at that. Major support on the bearish market. And ngayon, maganda na ang market with the developments of the bank. Yung sinabi na yung reserves, papalakihan. That is gonna help the banks. I'd say BPI, yan, one of the best banks in the Philippines. Perfect entry, right? One of the, I don't see why not, right? I don't see why not enter BPI now. Diba? Yun lang, ang inintay ko lang is a green, and I would have recommended this today if this showed us another green. Yan. So, pag nag-green yan today, pasok na, syempre. Baka lumipad yan at the end of the day. Kontayin nyo pa yung end of the day. So, pag nag-green na yan ng konti, you can be aggressive. This is the best moments to be aggressive in a stock. Yung maliit ang risk and a good company. So, yes, BPI is good. That's for Mel Dizon, Juan Bactas, Mike Buntag, Armonde Rodriguez. Morning, Sir Lloyd. More power to you. More power to you too. Thank you so much. Armonde, favor naman po, JFC. Thanks in advance. JFC, pasukin na natin yan. Right? We talked about it already. I'd say yes, that's already an entry point just in case it goes down. You just buy more. Morning, sir. Maraming salamat sa reco mo last time sa Globe. Ang laki ng gain. Yes, recommended Globe at the bottom. We were very lucky. We caught Globe here and ang laki na ng gain. So congratulations who went in on Globe during this time. Nasa almost 20% ng gain. So wow, amazing. Si Tel din, right? Amazing yung investment ko kay Tel lumipad na. Remember, you can remember I was able to predict the bottom of Tel. Pumasok din ako dyan. I told the people in the chat room and it's already been gaining me a lot. So si Tel din, hopefully nakapasok din kayo doon, diba? Yung nga pala, in the chat room kasi, I always tell people whenever I enter, I usually tell people whenever I enter a position. So, I will say, I will recommend joining the chat room. Ang saya po dito, yung mga day traders dito nag-uusap, nagkukulitan. Main chat room dito po yung mga medyo seryoso when it comes to trading, and if ever ayaw nyo magkipagkulitan, you can opt to not open the traders lounge. Pwede nyo naman i-mute yan, and then dito lang kayo sa TBC main chat room. At least masegregate natin. Hindi natin maiiwasan ang mga makukulit. I've learned that along the way. On my journey with dealing with people, there will be people who will do that. So what best we can do is just segregate and give you an option to go for a chat room which is makulit, or chat room na medyo seryoso, diba? And then we have an investor lounge here. This is for investors. Dito nag-uusap ang mga investors, and eToro is here. Ayan, so eToro lounge. So everything about eToro, foreign markets, dyan po nag-uusap ang mga tao para masegregate lang natin at hindi magulo ang chat room. This chat room is gonna be very helpful for you. Ang dami pong nagtutulungan dito. Maraming nag-guide sa inyo dito if you're a newbie. So download Discord. The name of the application is Discord. And then down at the video description, if tingnan nyo po ang video description nito and other daily grind videos, there's a Discord group link there. Just click on it. Once you if you already have Discord and you click on the link after, diretso kayo makakapasok. Everything is for free, right? So this is a very healthy community that can help you in your stock market journey. Ayan. So nga pala guys, I posted something sa daily grind. Yan, sa Daily Grind, not sa Daily Grind, the Billionaires Club. I just posted about this. Here's eToro Real Trading Competition. Andyan po yung link. $15, $15,000 po every month until December po ang bibigay ni eToro for the best trader of Asia. Student of mine, if you click on this link, you will be redirected to this page. A student of mine won April, si Son Juja. Yan po, Pinoy po yan. Very proud to be his mentor. So he won $5,000 last month, right? Amazing. And if you want to join the competition, you can just click on the link. Andyan po, pinost ko po yan sa Billionaires Club. Right? Check it out. Alright, why not, diba? Alright, so let's go to asan yung chart ko. Nawawala ang daldal ko kasi. John Vincent Pleto, good morning Sir Lloyd. Maraming salamat. Ayan, nabasa na natin yan. Mark Benson good morning. Parang walang effect ang yung news kahapon kay ISM. Right, actually gusto ko sanang mag-sell on news si ISM kasi hindi pa ako nakapag-buy more. Meron na naman akong naipon na pera. I wanna add some to ISM and others to my some on other investment stocks ko tulad nila MPI kasi napakamura na. That's good if walang gaanong news. Actually, masyado mataas na kasi si ISM. Medyo mataas na kasi si ISM. So, I wasn't expecting for it to really go high kasi meron tayong major resistance here. Right? So, if it pulls back, then why not, 'di ba? We cannot predict the market. We cannot expect masasaktan lang kayo diyan. Some people are expecting na lumipad 'yan. Masasaktan lang kayo pag nag-expect kayo sa stock market. What you really can do is react accordingly, right? Just react accordingly to the market. If it gives you a buy signal, then buy. If may news, let's see how the market will react and then react after. Huwag niyo pong unahan ng market. Right now, okay, so walang gaanong effect ng news. Sa simula lang and then nagkapulahan. But it's because nasa 6 pesos na si ISM. Medyo mahal pa yan sa psychology ng market right now. So, if it goes down, then why not? And then just buy it when it goes down, right? So don't worry about that. Hi sir, draw my fortune. Sorry. Hindi ko maintindihan, Arnold. Sorry about that, Etchon. Hops, sir, priced in na ba sa ISM yung approval ng Congress kaya dito maas? I can't really say bakit hindi tumaas. It's all I can say is medyo mahal na po siya, kaya po nahirapan siya umakyat. Kaya we're hitting resistances kay ISM kasi. So hindi siya nakapag-break ng resistance. So this is to be expected. Let's see what will happen in the future. Lakas rin kasi ng akyat ni ISM the past few days. So yan. Before John Pleto, sir, nagkaroon ka ba ng topic before regarding dividend play? I think wala pa. 'Di ba? I think wala pa. That's very good, That's a very good suggestion. I'll note this down. Sige, yan po gawin natin topic yan tomorrow. Dividend plays. I usually just talk about that along the way, during the daily grind. Why not? Let's concentrate on dividend plays tomorrow. So we'll talk about that. Maghanda ako ng presentation. Dexter Lopez, somehow your message got retracted. Van Belen, good morning Sir Lloyd and Laika. Good morning to you too. O nga pala guys, please share the video. Paki-share po ang video to your trading groups and your Facebook walls para naman po yung mga newbies malaman po nila na there's a program like this that can guide them in their stock market journey for free, di ba? Pete, good morning coach. MPI and ATN. ATN is in my recommendations for today. Let me post my recommendations for today. So, madadaanan naman natin yan sa ATN mamaya. Si MPI, ayan, ito na yung pullback na parang resistance na hinihintay natin. Let's see what will happen. If it gives us a pullback, then we can always buy more. So, for now, medyo mataas po siya. Antay lang tayo for it to really do a pullback and make another support before we enter MPI. But overall, pwede po ito. And if you're an investor kay MPI, pasok lang kaagad. Napakamura pa po niyan. One moment. And si MPI and then ATN, daanan natin si ATN yan mamaya. Shells DV Web. Si Web, ganda ng pullback ni Web So, Web has this support. Let's see, doji kasi siya kahapon maybe support, yun nga lang, ang problema natin dito, we're forming a head and shoulder. So, nagka-reversal saglit si Web. So, let's see what will happen if it forms a support. Right now, it's forming a descending triangle. I don't want you to be aggressive kay Web lang muna for as of the moment. If you plan to be aggressive kay Web, enter it the bottom. A conservative approach is to see if this will break out a possible descending triangle kay Web. So no need to be aggressive kay Web for now. Asan na yung iba? Web, MPI, we talked about MPI already. Poppy naman, si Poppy nag-pullback, so the pullback is a good sign kasi we will have a chance to enter it again. But this stock is definitely on a downtrend. Abang lang tayo ng bounce ni Poppy. Pag umakyat na si Poppy, that will be the best entry point. Alright? Next naman is ISM, please. And more gains to come. And free to shells. DV Monet Laguman, good morning. What are your insights on ICT P-Core? Thanks. ICT, si ICT, kamusta natin si ICT? Medyo nasa taas pa kasi si ICT. So, somehow, we're seeing top level resistance already. So, medyo bumababa pa si ICT. Let's see what will happen. Antayin natin sa MA20. Maybe we can test it out. The trend is your friend. Definitely, the stock is still on an uptrend. Grabe si ICT. I still remember I recommended ICT at this level and it was unstoppable. I recommended it there because of this divergence right here. And then I recommended it again here nung nag-breakout siya sa ascending triangle niya. Let me just zoom in. Sorry. There was an ascending triangle here at this level. And ayun, ICT was unstoppable from that point. So congratulations. Definitely a bagger when we recommended that. Tindi, MA20 bounces. So Amazing, ICT. Hirap na pasukin yan nasa taas kasi ngayon eh. That's why I haven't been recommending ICT lately. But definitely, enter it at MA20. Si Picor naman, ganda ng bounce yesterday but still heavy for me. Income first quarter, negative 77%. Annual earnings, negative 49%. Price action-wise, this is good price action. Technical analysis, we have an engulfing pattern. Kaso nga lang, walang volume. Right, so let's see if ever you want to trade this, it will pull back and make a support. That will be our entry point. Wait for a secondary support before you want to enter Pico. Ronald Ray Tome, sir, good morning. How about food and PHA? Si food naman, heavy pa rin, pababa. So, negative 99 first quarter earnings. Okay naman annual earnings niya. But somehow, price action is still telling us na pabagsak siya. RSI didn't really reach the lower level. So, kind of shaky pa, not really definite signals for food. I'd stay away from that for now kasi heavy ng downward trend niya. Right, so ayan, PHA, kamusta natin si PHA? Just keep buying as long as the support holds. So far hindi pa naman gumagalaw si PHA at bumabagsak at malapit na naman sa support. Antayin niyo po yung bounce. Pag nag-bounce yan sa support, that would be a good entry for PHA. Dexter Lopez, good morning Sir Lloyd. Shout out sa mga traders ng Doha, Qatar. Hi, Al-Safa family, Shane, Matt, Mac, Jimmy, good morning sa inyo dyan. Dexter Lopez, ayan, good morning po sa inyo. Qatar, sus, alas 4 pa ng umaga dyan ngayon. So, tindi ng mga ginagawa ng mga kapatid nating OFWs na nandyan sa UAE tsaka sa Qatar. Aga-aga pa para lang manood ng daily grind at makapag-trade at mag-aral ng stock market. Kayod lang po. Right? Annalyn C, sir, thanks. SEC, same with ISM. Didn't really move because we were hitting a resistance right here. So, wait lang tayo. Hopefully, it will pull back and give us a better entry. For now, mahirap pa. Hirap habulin pag nasa taas. Right, Mike, good morning sir. Any insights po kay PHA? Kakabili ko kahapon kay 91. Buy as long as the support holds. Oliver de Guzman, good morning. Wealth Gainer, good morning Coach. ISM and PHA insights. We talked about that already. I'll go down. And so Tristan Manalo, okay po. Kaya FPH, TY po. Si FPH, ang ganda rin eh. FPH, nagsusupport na yun eh. Yan, nagsusupport na si FPH. I'd say yes. Okay itong support na ito. Test this support out. Maganda naman yung first quarter earnings niya. We saw FPH climb and then nag-stabilize dito. I'd say yes. RSI niya so far hindi naman gaanong definite yung movement. So, we do have a support. Right? Yeah, pwede nyo test ito. If I can add FPH on my list, please let me add FPH on my list. I will recommend FPH. Very low risk position. Pwede nyo po tingnan ito. Ganda naman ng volume lately sa mga spikes niya. Right, so FPH. Right, thank you so much for showing me this chart. Tristan, I will recommend FPH. I'll add that to the recommendations for today. Paul Henrik Untayaw, good morning Sir Lloyd. Good morning then. Abib Shabebs, good morning Sir Lloyd. VLL and DNL po. Si DNL still a buy. I recommended that yesterday. VLL buy as long as the support holds. Sana kay VLL, I don't know if dito niya ilalagay yung plano lang gawing casino si Villar. Hindi ko sure baka sa heaven nila ilagay. So, tignan lang natin in the future saan nila ilalagay. DNL, still a buy. Paul Henrik, good morning. Van Belen, ANS, sir. Thank you, ANS. Kamustahin natin si ANS. Alright, so ANS somehow is at momentum levels. Kumusta ba tong fundamentals ni ANS? Hindi ko alam yung fundamentals nito eh. But price action wise, yeah. Pero I don't want to enter there. Maybe pull back and then bounce. Ang hirap ng chart na ito Hirap ng chart basahin nila. Right, I'll check more about ANS. I really can't tell for now. Definitely lang yung position niya masyadong high risk pa sa taas. Paul Henrik, good morning Sir Lloyd. Sa IEGI 14 ang price, pumasok ako mag-sell. Ba ako ngayon? Tataas pa ba? We can't say for sure. Si AGI, kamustahin natin. I did recommend that yesterday. 14 kang pumasok. So amazing, right? Very good gains. I won't say sell kasi napakaliit pa lang ng gains na ito. I'd say this has a big possibility to go up still sa resistance niya. I'd say dyan kayo mag-sell. At least sell half there. Masyadong pa maliit ito. But if you are I think this is still gonna go up. Right? I don't want to recommend selling it now. Maybe at around here, around 8 to 9% of gains mo, sell half, right? Congratulations pa rin, nonetheless, right? If you are scared of the position right now, sell half already para makampante ka. You'll realize gaano po maka-release, anong klaseng release of tension pag nakapag-sell half po kayo. That's a very good strategy for you guys. PHA Natics, what will happen? Any insight, sir? Hindi pa natin alam ano mangyayari. All we can do is test out the support, and if we are right, then it should go up and we should win a lot. If not, then cut loss lang, right? But buy as long as the support holds. Van Bilen, sir, mangisda.org po ba? One-time payment lang po ang 6,500. Not sure what you mean by one-time payment. But for now, the first batches, let's talk about mangisda.org for now. To answer Belen, yung 6.5 is 1 unit, right? The first, etong, di ba, gumawa tayo ng 4 na waves. Right, let me open that. We have 4 waves open right now. We have 2 left sa wave 1. Actually, nag-reject may mga nag-expire na mga reservation, kaya po may na-open available bigla. Most probably in the coming days baka may ma-open kasi this pending, ito yung mga yellow na nakikita ninyo sa on your end. Yung yellow is pending, meaning reserve yan. Pag umabot po ng 5 banking days at hindi pa po namin natanggap ang pera, kina-cancel po namin yung reservation request kaya may na-open na units. Right, to answer Belen's question, 6.5, these 4 waves, right, meaning etong 4 cages na ito, right, 1 year po ito lock ang money ninyo, right, because this is the pilot waves. These are the basically the very start waves to ensure stability. Hindi mo na namin binigay yung option for 6 months. Actually, within 6 months, nag-harvest na tayo. Pero this one is locked for 1 year. At least po may stability po na 2 harvest ang pera ninyo na magagamit. In return, we will give you 20% guaranteed return naman. Diba? So, one-time payment po ba ang 6.5? Yes, if you reserve 1, then you pay 6.5. And then, after the harvest, you will have the option to withdraw the money back with the gains, right? And then you will also have the option to reinvest it. I'll say this: if you click, you will have an access to a click button na accept funds. Pag in-accept po yung funds, mababalik po sa available balance ninyo, or reinvest. Pag ni-reinvest nyo po yan, kung ilang waves po kaya malagay yung pera ninyo, automatically malalagay po siya sa mga current open na waves. Na investments. So if you reinvest, you will whatever the harvest is for that year, you will get additional 2% on top of the gain. So yun po yung mga bonus po sa mga i-reinvest po lang yung pera nila, but you have the option to withdraw it already if you want to. Yan po. Again, mangisda.org, guys, malapit na po maubos. For wave 4, this will be the last wave we will have for the pilot batches. Yan po. And I tell you, nagsisimula na po tayo. We are already buying the materials for these 4 units. So actually, wave 1 and wave 2, pinasimulan na po namin mag-construct ng cage, as we have to make the cage very strong. 2 weeks after now, we will be going to Mindanao again, and i-document po namin yung paggawa ng mga cages so that the investors will know that their money is going somewhere. And from there, we will make this very visible for everyone. Every week, we will have updates, important updates sa investments po ninyo. For example, ibubuhos na po yung mga fingerlings, those are the tiny bangus, ibubuhos na po sa cage. Makikita nyo po yan, i-record po namin yan para po sa inyo. And then every week, magsasampling, checking how the sizes of the bangus, i-update po namin yan. We'll post it on the Facebook page of mangisda.org so you can trace the development of your investments. And we're gonna be making everything transparent, even the movement of the money that you invested and the sales. Makikita nyo po dyan. Right? So, yun po. Check out mangisda.org. Again, for as low as 6,500, you can already help. Right? Help the fishermen of Mindanao and invest at the same time. Hindi nyo po binigay yan, in-invest nyo po yan. And through that investment, malaking tulong yan po sa mga isda ng Mindanao. Right? So, and then you're gonna earn in return. So, hindi naman donation yan. Ibabalik naman yan with investment. So, for as low as 6,500, you can already invest in one lot, right? And on wave 1, dalawang lot lang po available. Magiging open po ito pag if ever hindi nagtuloy yung mga nag-reserve. So, wag po kayo magpapahuli, right? This is a very good opportunity for you guys. Right? Mangingisda, go visit www.mangingisda.org so that you can check out the cost and just register and sign in, and everything should be very easy on your end, right? Levi Marceliana, good morning, coach. How about AP? More power, coach. AP, kamustahin natin? It's 8:48. I'll stop with Levi muna, right? AP, good job sa mga pumasok dito sa bottom. We did talk about AP here. Ang ganda ng support na yan for AP, di ba? So, it's going up. I don't want to recommend it anymore kasi masyadong mataas ng risk. Just wait for it to pull back and then bounce. Pag nag-bounce yan, that will be your support. That will be your entry point for AP. For now, masyadong mataas na. So, here are my recommendations again for today. I'll post it in the comments. Discuss po natin ito. In no particular order, IMI. Right, so IMI, we have a confirmation of the support for IMI. I'd say okay na ito si IMI, guys. Support is here. Bababa ang presyo, but RSI is starting to go up already. I wanna make this go larger. Alright, so we have a bullish divergence for IMI already. I'd say yes, pwede na itong pasukin. Hinog na po yan sa IMI. Get in. Right, IMI. Next is CHIB. CHIB. And si China Bank. Alright, so we have a confirmation of the support for China Bank. Maganda rin yung RSI niya. So we have divergence also. Overall, napakamura ng China Bank. It's been doing well. First quarter, maganda ang earnings, 24%. Last year, annual earnings, 7.88. So still on the positive side. China Bank has been doing well. And it's at a very cheap price right now. I'd say yes, test it out for trading. Right? These are very good positions I'm showing to you guys. IMI, CHIB, SM. Si SM din naman. Right? Si SM, confirmation yesterday. Overall, napakamura pa rin ni SM, sorry, not ISM. We're still at those major support levels. So, nasa baba tayo naglalaro ni SM right now. I'd say yes, buy SM. Next kay SM, si IDC. IDC, confirmed bounce. We were waiting for that bounce yesterday, and there it is. Pwede nyo po itest yan. Maganda po yung support niya. Maliit ang risk. Definitely, that time to test it. COSCO, test buy nyo na po yan. COSCO, right? Si COSCO naman, I saw this divergence of COSCO. This company's been doing well. Yung nga lang, natapos yung trend niya kasi medyo mataas na si COSCO. And now, right now, it's starting to stabilize and make a bottom. We have a short-term bullish movement right here. So, I guess this is gonna make a support. And we're still at that support. So, pwede nyo na po itest ito si COSCO. Next kay COSCO is ATN. ATN also confirming the support after this engulfing pattern. Ito, di ba? Ito yung engulfing pattern na dinidiscuss ko lagi with the Bollinger Bands. We did a pullback, confirmed the support, and then we have a confirmation right there again. So, yes, buy na po sa ATN. For me, overall, this is for long term. This is the best area to buy more ATN. If hindi pa kayo nakapasok, that's a good time to buy ATN. FPH, for FPH, we talked about this earlier. I'm just adding FPH to the list. So those are my picks for today. If you like the companies, test it out, right? If you don't know these companies, wag niyo po muna pasukin. Try to know the companies by heart before kayo pumasok. You still have until today. If you want to wait for one more confirmation, at least, pwede pa rin naman yan. Right? So, ayan po. Those are my picks for today. Let me continue to the comments ng mga tao. Before I want to go to that, I want to recommend someone po. Right? Mangingisda.org was created by Mark 1. Ito po yung Facebook nila. Andyan po sa andyan po sa comments. Linagay sa comments and down in the video description. Guys, if you're planning to make a website and you need help, contact that person. right? Ang laki pong tulong. This guy's story is very inspirational, right? He's doing his best to still work and create websites kahit po halos bulag na po yung taong yan. He's a survivor of a brain tumor surgery. We talked about this a few days ago. Basically, I asked him to describe how he is seeing, and this is his vision. This is what he showed to me. Ganito po yung vision niya. I've been with this guy nung nagpunta siya sa Cebu. Really inspiring story. So if you can help him out, to help you create a website, siguro mangisda.org is a good manifestation for his abilities. Ang ganda po ng website na nagawa niya. Contact that person, right? Very inspiring story. Mark, keep it up. Yan po. So I'm plugging him para tulong po sa kanya. So check out his page, right? Pinagawa ko po siya ng Facebook page, right? So andyan po yung mangisda.org as part of his portfolio. Right, so I'm gonna go back to the comments. Tommy Montano Escobedo, good morning coach and all viewers. May video post po kayo sa seminar niyo last Saturday. Sadly, wala po, but we're planning one on Manila or Davao for next month. Definitely, we're gonna have another seminar. Ganda po na seminar na yun. It's financial freedom. Medyo nahirapan ako kasi ang hirap ang live Ang hirap mag-live kasi yung internet kasi medyo mabagal. So, baka magka-problema lang. So, yun po. Sige lang, we're gonna make some more and we're gonna make it as cheap as possible kung kaya natin talaga. Right, Nikos Bernardino, Web, we already talked about Web. Abner Respecio, Coach, good morning. Ipacheck naman si MB and FLI. Si Web, wait lang tayo ng breakout kay Web for conservative one. Aggressive entries is this support right here if mag-support si Web. Right, Abner Respecio, Coach. Ayan, si MB. Galing ni MB lakas ng climb ni MB. So wait for the pullback and bounce before you wanna enter MB. Right? So masyado mataas na po yan. FLI, been keeping your daily records on a diary and was able to bottom pick PLC. Congratulations. Ang galing. Ang taas na ni PLC ngayon. Galing right? So congratulations for PLC pick. Si FLI, this support was, I recommended FLI to go in here, this support. Right now it's doing green, so as much as possible at this support tayo pumasok as we have resistances right here. So it's not worth it to enter now. We are in the middle of that. Hopefully it gives us a position to enter at the bottom. So right now I don't want to recommend it yet. Congratulations Abner on PLC. Galing PLC, kamusta natin si PLC nga? Let's check out PLC. May 6. Yan. So, May 6. Dito, recommended it here. Bumaba pa ng konti and then it went up after that. So, konting tiis lang pala yun si PLC before really going up. Ito yung support niya, di ba? So, we talked about that during those days. Congratulations, Abner. Francis Fahilan, how about ECP, Sir Lloyd? Si ECP nasa support pero yung first quarter earnings niya might pull it down. It's negative 18% on the first quarter earnings niya, but we have a good support right here. I'd say if ever mag-green yan today, pwede nyo i-test? I'd say yes, okay, pwede nyo po i-test yan and pakapilin ko lang yung linya para mas makita ng mga tao. So that level, you can test it out. Just make sure you cut your losses if magkamali but ECP, yes, definitely technical analysis wise, ang ganda na ng position niya, very low risk. For Francis Fahilan. Diorico Docena, good morning. Abeb Shabeb, sir, i-copy na kita tomorrow. Copy open trades po ba? Yes, I still think these positions are gonna go up. And then, pag nag-copy po kayo, most probably, for the first few weeks, hindi pa kayo mag-gain yan. But, if ever mag-negative man kayo, give it around 3 months to 6 months para po to really feel out the movement of copy trading and the trades ko po. Right? So, yun po. Burnstone TV Gaming, sir, pa-check po si AP. We talked about it already. Yeah, wait lang ng pullback and bounce before you want to enter AP. But definitely, overall, okay pa rin naman siya. Right? Mura pa rin naman si AP. Okay? With the price action. Just, if you're trading it, best entry is a pullback and bounce before you want to enter AP. JFC from Rochelle Figueroa. Yes, buy na po si JFC. Thank you, sir, from Van Belen. You're welcome. King Bakay, good morning, coach. Kamusta? Uy, kamusta na? Doing well. I hope you're doing well too. Tommy Escobedo, Coach, may na-receive po kami documents like contract, etc. from mangisda.org. Yes, we'll be emailing you the contract. Isabay po namin i-email yan sa lahat. Once the papers are out, we're expecting for it to go out this week. So, I just met with my dad yesterday and magsisimula na po ang production pa rin this week. And then, yung papers, i-check nila if okay na at ma-release na ba. So, should get an update maybe today or tomorrow. I'll let you guys know. Financial Freedom, Eman652, good morning from Japan. eToro 888.l kung pwede naman pasukin. Dagang salamat. Uy, kamusta natin si 888? Pinasok ko yan, natalo tayo. Right, 888. 888. So far, green naman tayo kay eToro ngayon. So, that's good to know. Stats, chart. Nag-divergence na ito eh. Right, so, hopefully, ito na yung bottom ni 888. I was too aggressive kay 888 and the timing pa kay Trump kaya bumagsak. We entered here at the support. Bumagsak siya. Let's wait for reversal and pull back if I want to enter 888. But so far, so good. Okay naman tong 888. And it's been recovering naman sa financials niya. So, ang dapat dito is for bodega, for investing, I'd say 888 is good. For trading, medyo aggressive pa for me. Though good price action there, right there. Ang hirap sabihin. Kasi I haven't tried investing sa international market trading po ang ginagawa ko, but my friends are already earning so much in eToro. Nag-i-invest lang po sila because US market, yan sila Microsoft, sila Google. Pag nag-pullback yan, sila Apple. Pag nag-pullback yan, just buy them because these companies are still gonna do well in the future. They just keep buying and buying and buying sila Amazon kasi lumalaki at lumalaki ang presyo ng mga companies na yan. So, I haven't tried investing nga lang for me because I am, I am copy trading. So, as much as possible, trading yung positions natin. Emil Angelo, good morning Sir Lloyd. Good morning everyone. Familiar din po kayo sa farmon.ph. Yes, we have basically the same concept for farmon.ph. I took them as an inspiration, right? It's just that ang kagandahan po sa mangisda.org is we are directly involved kasi dad ko mismo is the organization leader there. Siya po ang head ng association ng overall, hindi lang sa lugar namin but overall sa Lopezaina. And then he has very big connections all over Mindanao kasi BFAR director din po siya and over the country. He just went to Manila last week kasi may seminar doon, and he's been teaching fishermen all over the Philippines about sea cage farming para hindi na po nila kailangan pumunta sa laot, makipaggulo sa China para mangisda, right? Kasi yan po yung goal ng government. So, ayan po. The difference between FarmOn and us is FarmOn, i-connect pa po nila kayo sa mga farmers which can be a hassle kasi makipag-usap pa kayo sa farmers. Dito po sa amin, direkta na po sa amin. So, mangisda.org. You're just gonna be dealing with us. Wala na pong middleman. Kami na po diretso ang kadil ninyo. Right? But definitely, same concept. FarmOn gives around 10% a year for your project, so that's still very good. Still better than if you buy a house. If you buy a house and and have it rented. Dito sa Cebu right now, a 3 million house can be rented for 10,000 a month. 10,000 a month is 120,000 a year. How much is 120,000 a year for a 3 million investment? What is 120,000 of 3 million? Ilang percent po yan? 4%, right? So, basically, that's only 4%, and FarmOn gives you 10%. We are gonna give you guaranteed 20% for 1 year. So, instead of real estate nyo po ilagay pera ninyo, look for these kinds of investments. This is one of the topics that I had last Saturday. Kasi mga tao, and I asked them, if I give you 2 million, what passive income are you gonna do? Real estate po, right? So I gave them the reality of real estate. This is on a good year, right? kung narentahan yan buong taon. What if hindi pa narentahan buong taon? Meron pa iba hindi nagbabayad, meron pa iba pagkatapos magrenta, sira-sira pa ang bahay. So, just giving you the reality of real estate. Ang gandahan lang na real estate is physical asset po na hahawakan at nakikita ninyo. I told them about MP2. MP2 program, Pag-ibig MP2 program, if you haven't heard about it, search about it. Pag-ibig MP2 program last year gave around 7.5%. The previous year 8%. So I gave them a comparison. Saan kayo mag-i-invest sa 8% or here's a 4%? Ang dami pang sakit sa ulo, 'di ba? So start small, go with small investments, and this is the purpose of mangingisda.org or MP2 program, farmon.ph. Meron pa po dyan CDN. That's a good passive income source also. Right? So, let's go back. Right? So, asan na yan? That was from Emil. Pips, MRSGI, please. Kamustahin natin si MRSGI. Let me go full screen sa chart natin. MRSGI. MRSGI, oy, very good. Nagpo-pull back siya. This is what we're waiting for. Let's wait for it to make a bounce. That will be our entry point for MRSGI. Most probably here because there was a resistance around that level. So baka maging support po yan. That's our best entry point for MRSGI. MRSGI. Liovin Deselos, thank you, sir, for always updating us regarding that investment. Thank you so much. You're welcome. Richard Sulaiman Olarte, good morning, bro. Watching here from Saudi Arabia. God bless, Coach. PHA, bro. Just buy as long as the support holds for PHA. Maganda po yan si PHA kasi yung perang hawak nila ngayon, the assets that they have, is so much bigger than its current price. Alright, the experts are pricing it at around 5 pesos with the current money that it has. I would say 3 pesos will be fair enough. So 3 pesos, malaki pa rin ang growth factor ni PHA. So yes. Aris de la Peña, sir, thank you po ulit. Pa-approve ng application para sa anak. Magkano po ba kayo seminar niyo dito sa Taiwan? Magkakaroon po ba kayo ng seminar dito sa Taiwan? I'm talking to sponsors right now to make international seminars available again. So hopefully, ayan, magkakaroon po tayo. I'll do my best to make seminars as much as possible. Gawin po nating mura para po maka-avail naman lahat para hindi po masayang ang lessons. Right, Paul Henrik Ontayo. Sir, pakitingin ng BPI. Pumasok rin ako dyan pero bagsak. Okay lang, magbodega lang kayo ng BPI. I'm recommending BPI sa support niya. MRC, sir. MRC, nag-bounce naman si MRC eh. It's just that heavy on the downside pa si MRC, though meron tayong divergence dito. I don't want to be aggressive in MRC. Medyo volatile pa yung stock niya. So antayin lang natin mag-stabilize dyan sa baba before we really wanna recommend MRC. Time check, it's 9:05. Aga pa. Pwede mo gawin topic, bro, kung is that steps sa pagiging scalper o chupitero. Salamat. Sige, gawa natin ng topic yan in the coming days. Bull and Bear, good day, Coach. PXP, si PXP, baka gumalaw ito. There's another speculative movement for PXP. President Duterte signed the Palawan joint all expo. Baka si PXP makakuha. So, baka gumalaw si PXP. Kaganda ni PXP, ayaw mag-load. Si PXP is sitting at MA20. So, maybe gagalaw yun si PXP today. Tingnan nga natin magkano yung opening ni PXP. Investograms, I'll open another Investograms. Ano ba yun? So, screener. No. Saan nga ba uli natin? Was it in chart? And then all stocks. Saan nga ba natin makikita yung yung projected opening? Is it a watcher? No. Can you help me, guys? Saan natin makikita yung yung projected price opener? Projected price opening. Right, so I'll wait for you sa comments ninyo. Tingnan natin yung ni PXP. Stocks. Top, Coach. Stocks. Ito. Ayun, projected price. Thank you so much. Alright, so ICT, projected gainer, win. Wala naman si PXP, so far so good. Yan, si PXP, most probably is gonna go up today. yung si ICT, yung packet pa rin. So, but this is amateur hour, so konti ingat lang, nothing to be really worried about. Bullion Bear, good day coach. Ayan, good morning, PXP. ABS sir, thanks. Kamusta natin si ABS? I did recommend ABS the past few days. Somehow the support is still holding. I'm gonna see if it will confirm a support again. So far, wala pa po. So, mamaya na. Antay lang tayo ng bounce before you wanna enter ABS. Zian Ashley, Valenzuela, Mer and Tug sir. Si Mer, I recommended, I can't remember when I recommended Mer. But, there it is. Tada! Umakyat. Kasi, because, was that on this green? I recommended it for sure because of this support bounce right here. So, that was 2 days ago. I recommended Mer. I recommended it here. And there it is. Umakyat na. So, now I don't want to recommend it kasi umakyat na. Just wait for the pullback and bounce before we wanna enter Mer again. So, congratulations sa mga pumasok before I recommended it. So, Mer and Tugs. Si Tugs naman, so far, okay lang. Antay lang natin na mag-bounce si Tugs before I wanna recommend it. That's a confirmation of the support for Tugs. Right, overall, napakamura na ni Tugs. Right, Isabella M. Hi Lloyd, pag nag-open ba ng eToro sa Pinas, mabubuksan nyo siya pag bumalik ako ng Canada, di kasi available North America. Yes, if you registered your account as a Philippine account, right, yung Philippine ka talaga nakatira, even if you're in the US, since the system is gonna detect that you're a Philippine trader, you're gonna be redirected to the Philippine server where you can trade. So you can access, to answer your question, you can access that even if you're in Canada. Sarah Belieza, good day from Hong Kong. Globe take profits bought at 1,850. Congratulations, Sarah. Laki ng gains mo na. Amazing. Globe, I recommended it there at that level. So, yeah, pwede na kayo mag-take profits pag nagpula yan today. Congratulations, Sarah. Arnold Echon, Sir, insights naman po kay SPC. Let's check out SPC. We still have time. It's 9:09. Actually, ang aga pa. 9:09. Right, so, okay, very good. We do have a major support here. It's playing there already. I'd say test it out, right? Kumusta yung, baka yun yung dahilan bakit bumagsak si SPC. So, yeah, negative 35% for first quarter. Okay naman yung annual niya. Kaya umakyat na naman. Let's see. Try nyo po sa support si SPC. Pwede yan. Good day, Arnold. Judas, Sir Lloyd. I just see this. How to invest kay kapoy na ko sige bit-bit sa akong kwarta. Judas, mangingisda po. Alright. So, just go to mangingisda.org. www.mangingisda.org. If you go to that website, www.mangingisda.org, you will have an option to view the full video of our course so that you will be introduced to the project. And to join, just click on join and then you'll be redirected to the registration page. Right, on Facebook, if you open facebook.com, meron po akong walkthrough video. It's a full presentation. Ano ba yan? Si Kilay. Go to search for mangisda.org in Facebook. And like the page po para ma-updated po kayo. Dito po namin i-upload lahat ng mga updates next week. 2 weeks from now, we're gonna go to Mindanao and document the very start of the project, yung paggawa ng mga cages para makita nyo po. I have a video right here which says this is titled The Walkthrough. Ipin ko lang ito. Right, so this is the walkthrough video. This is the presentation of the business and everything you need to know if you want to start in mangisda.org. Check out this video. This is called the video walkthrough. Let me just search for the post really quick. Ipin ko na lang kaya ito sa top. And so it's titled mangisda.org Introduction and Walkthrough. Right. So check it out. So you'll know more about the business and paano po. There's also a walkthrough on the website. After you register, what do you do? Okay. Ang available na lang po ngayon is a few in wave 1. Maybe we're gonna be opening more if we cancel the registration ng mga nag-expire na. So there will be available lots here. Open is wave 4. This is the 4th cage. Meron pong 62 na available pa po. Right, so you're still in time. The projected start of the production is June 18. So we're still on time. So, yan po. Check out mangisda.org. Um, Kapoy daw bit-bit sa pera niya. Wala magbit-bit pa sa Judas. John Bernard, CPM, Sir Lloyd. Let's check out CPM. Chats per minute. Ano po yan eh. Nung nagwo-work pa ako sa call center, very traumatic na very traumatic na statistics, chats per minute. Right, so yan po. CPM, yes, ME20 bound. So I'd say yes, test this out, right? Maganda naman si CPM. Ang ganda ng support niya. Ganda rin ng first quarter income. Yeah, test this out, guys. Use the ME20 as your support. Last time it touched ME20, lumipad. Maybe it's gonna repeat it again. Again, the trend is your friend, and this stock is on an uptrend. Maybe it's gonna go up. If in case you're wrong, just cut your losses. Simple as that for CPM. Good find. Good find. Sino nga ba ito? Sino nag-ano nito? CPM. And from John Bernard. Captain Sid, thank you, sir. God bless. You're welcome. Sir Aba po, pa-check. Thanks. Alright, kamusta natin si Aba? Wala pa, nagda-downtrend pa. It's been touching the lower Bollinger Band, so okay naman yung earnings niya. So I guess it's gonna stabilize anytime soon. I want it to stabilize first and give us a good price action. Last time I recommended ABA here, give us good price action. Right now, wala pa akong price action talaga makita. Magulo yung galaw niya. So I really can't say for now. I want it to stabilize first before we can recommend it. Captain Sid, about sa mangisda.org, magkano pupuhunan? For as low as 6,500. If makikita nyo po dito, may mga lots available is dalawa na lang. So per lot po niyan is 6,500 and we're guaranteeing you 20% return. So it's up to you magkano po, ilang lots ang gusto nyong kunin, right po. And then yung returns po namin is 20% guaranteed for the first year, right? Bull and bear stocks top. Couch, ayan pala yun. So watcher, lumalabas. Bid and ask. Yan. Hello, Sir Lloyd. Maing buntag watching from Dubai. X-Pooser. Thanks. Right, kamusta natin si X? Huwag nyo nang balikan si X. Right? So, doing a pullback. Let's see if it gives us a bounce for the price action. If it bounces, pwede nyo po i-testing dyan. Usually, this is a reversal signal pag nagkaroon ng engulfing pattern. So, let's see if magtuloy yung reversal niya. Bounce lang muna before you wanna enter X. Lorraine de Guzman, ISM sir at C, pati si VLL. Si ISMC, VLL, we talked about this earlier. No clear signals to buy yet. Let's wait for it at ME20 and let it bounce there. That's the best entry point. But for now, wala pa po tayong entry point na mahanap. Ito yung mahirap pag nasa taas. VLL, buy at the support. Jaime Villaflor, PXP, projected open. Yes, medyo mataas yung projected open in PXP. So that's good. Isabella, you're welcome. Uku, sir, next possible stock sa eToro. I'm just waiting for the market to stabilize. For me, I'm not really, not really being aggressive for this month kasi dahil nga dun kay Trump. So on my watch list, dito po ako naghahanap. Right, I have my watch list. So possible po dito as ang papasukin ko po is sila Google kasi bumagsak ng mabigat sila Google. Right, so let's see if we can enter there. But definitely sa stocks muna ako maglalaro after. So we're seeing good signs naman kina Facebook kasi bumagsak din ito sila Google. So we're seeing good signs. I'm just waiting for a good low risk position before I wanna enter. Captain Sid, yan. Hearns Mill, sir, pakicheck si Bloom, right? Tignan natin si Bloom. Right, so I don't really want to play aggressively on a volatile market. Right now, volatility na international market because of the trade wars is really hard to guess. So these kinds of time, I really don't want to be aggressive. Kaya po nakikita nyo po, konti lang ang linalagay ko. And doon ako naglaro sa Bitcoin instead. And those stocks na medyo nasa baba pa talaga. Kaya po nakita nyo po yung positions ko. Right? I really want to trade responsibly because I am handling a lot of funds here. I have $262,000 under me. Malaking pera po yan. So I really want to trade responsibly. Yun yung kagandaan sa copy trading, right? I have to trade responsibly to keep also the copiers because that's yun na po yung parang extra income ko rin if I handle it properly. Bloom starting to do the pullback that we're waiting for. Let's see what will happen in the future. For now, wala po tayong pullback ni Bloom na clear. So yan. Abner, coachandmangisda.org on adding funds subscribe ba ang interval and minimum planning to put 20k sa as my initial. You can do that right away. Pwede nyo pong diretso on 20k and then you will have the option to invest. Saan nyo po ilalagay. Captain Sid, thank you again. You're welcome. Sulit tong live mo. Thank you so much. Evelyn Alforon, thanks sir. You're welcome. Right, so amazing. Naubos ko ang chats ninyo. Right, so that means we can end early. So market is doing well. A little recap. Market is doing well. Pastohan nyo na po yung mga stocks na nasa baba pa, especially yung mga recommendations ko. If you like these companies, pwede nyo na po i-test buy ang mga yan. These are very low risk positions. Sila Jollibee, sila BPI. Definitely get in those stocks. Last chat from Bert Lobertas. Right, so that's it for today. I'll see you again tomorrow. I hope you enjoy your trading day. As always, let's get rich together. Bye everyone. Thank you so much. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed yet.